So we are in a bay and you can see the hotel.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
So over there you can see Singapore Flyer. It's like London Eye. So if you want you can go there and see Singapore from the sky, almost from the sky. We are going to skip it for now because we don't have, as I mentioned, we don't have that much time here in Singapore, so yeah. We are heading to the garden, this most famous garden here in Singapore with singing trees. Somewhere near here in a bay. It's really cloudy, so hopefully it will stay like this without not much rain, at least for 1 more hour, and then we can go back to our hotel. I just really want to see those singing trees and then we can go back. I don't mind. We will have few more hours tomorrow, so I guess we will explore Chinatown or Little India tomorrow. Oh, there's thunderstorm is coming. They are building here some statue. I think you saw it. Yeah, definitely. It's thunderstorm. Yeah, it's rainy season here. At some point we don't mind because everything is much cheaper and less crowded. So if you are not afraid of rain, I really recommend to come here in the beginning of rainy season. It's like October, end of October, November, so yeah. Definitely everything is less crowded and cheaper. So I guess you already can see these trees over there on the other side of the road. The show starting in 20-25 minutes. Yeah, I think you can see them now over there. So we are already here in the garden by the bay. We are heading here. this garden has 3 more parts. So super glow trees are for free, so you can come here and enjoy the show twice per day, and then you can go to Cloudy Forest and one more forest. I forgot the name. It's like from Avatar. You need to pay for that. I think it's around like £6 plus minus, so it's not really expensive. So if you want, you can check those 2 gardens as well. I guess from the hotel they must have amazing view here, the garden. So we really enjoyed the show. My recommendation, guys, for you is this tree. Super Tree Observatory is the most flashing, most singing, dancing, etc. tree, plus those 2 which are connected by the bridge. So if you want to have like the best view, so sit either somewhere here in the middle or under the super tree. You will have the best view.